Hello guys, welcome back to Template Tutorials, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to create a beautiful certificate like this. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, we have to go and change the layout here. So we are moving the layout to blank. So we then move on to the design tab, and we are going to customize the slide size. So we are choosing A4 over here, so that the paper will be A4. So we are going with the A4 paper. So we are leaving the landscape, and we'll click on OK, and then click on maximize. Alright, so the next thing again I'd like us to do is to format the background. What do I mean by formatting the background? Is to change the color of the background. I don't want us to use white. So to do that, you simply have to right click on the desktop and go to format background. Alright, so from there you see the current color is white. So you just have to click here and go and click more colors. I don't want to choose the colors right here, but I want to use some different color there. So definitely I might go for something like this. Or if I want, I'll come here, let me choose this color. So I'll then go back there again and go to more colors. So this thing will appear. So let me use this pointer here. So you see this is our current color, and this is a new color that I'm trying to achieve. So watch me closely and see what I'm trying to do. So I want to achieve some kind of unique color there. So let me try this one and see what will happen. Alright, so I think this way is not bad. Okay, so the next thing again I would like us to do is to add a couple of shapes there. So how do you add shapes? To add shape, you simply have to go to the insert tab. So and locate shapes there. So you click the shapes here, and you are going to insert the right angle triangle, which is right here. You just click on it and come and draw it. Alright, so simply use this pointer here and drag it to this side so that you can come to that side. So you see the shape that we just inserted. That shape is having an outline. An outline is the line that goes across it. So let's remove the outline, give it no outline. Alright, so from there, let's change the color of this shape. So with this shape, I don't want us to use a solid color. I want us to use a gradient fill. So to use a gradient fill, you simply have to come and click on the gradient fill right here. Alright, so when you click on it, this is the default color that you see. So this is the most often, this is the default gradient that you see. Alright, so with this gradient, I want us to change the color of it. So to do that, let's come to the presets. I want us to choose some styling there. So I'll go with this one. Alright, let me go with this one at the top here. Alright, so with these, you see there are only 3 points there. So I'll send this one to this side and bring this one also to this side. So I'll also send this one to the last side. Alright, so with the first color, you see the first color to the left, I want us to change the color of it. So simply right click on this one and come and choose this color. So then click back to the color again and come and click on more colors. I want us to customize it. Alright, so I want the color to be deep. So I'll go with possibly this color. So I'll click on OK. Alright, so to the next color also, I'll choose the color that we just formatted, which is right here under the recent colors. So the last color, I'll choose this one, and I'll choose the color which is on top here under the standard colors. Alright, so with this color, let me just increase the size. So and simply align it at the top of our page. Alright, so with this one, I'm just going to make a copy of this one. So to make a copy, you simply have to press and hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard and drag to make a copy. Or you can use the Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste. Alright, so with this one, I'm going to change that one also, the colors of it. Alright, so it's just the same preset. So I want us to change the colors. So taking the first color, so I'll come back here. So I'll choose this color and I'll come back there again and I'll go with the more colors. So I'll simply send this pointer possibly to somewhere around here. So I'm trying to achieve one color there. Alright, so I think this is our new color is not bad, so I'll use it. I'll click OK. Alright, so to the next one also, I'm choosing the same color that we just formatted. And to the last one, I'll click this one and I'll come and choose possibly this color. Alright, so let me bring this one here a little bit. Okay, so with this color, let me just bring it on top. So I'm going to increase the size of it. Alright, so you see what I'm doing. Alright, so as this one is selected the shape, you see under the shape format, you can simply send it to the back so that it will be at the back of that shape. Alright, so with that one, let's take the red color here and make another copy here. But with this one, we are just shrinking this one, we increase the size here. So I'm using this one. When you use this pointer here, you can easily increase here or reduce here or anything. So if you're happy to use here to reduce and use here to increase or reduce, you can simply just use this one to control both. Alright, so I'll align that one here. So I use this one to control it. Alright, so I'll go with this one. So with this one also, I'm sending it to the back. So I'll then come into the yellow color. So I'll make that a copy of that one also and bring it here. So with this one also, I'm using this one to control it. Alright, so I'm sending this one also to the back. Alright, so I think this way is not bad. So the next thing again I'd like us to do is to go back to the insert tab. We are not going to insert a rectangle. So which is right here, just click on it and go and draw a rectangle. Alright, so let me increase the size. Alright, I'm trying to just adjust it so that it will fit well. Alright, so with this one, let's remove the color of it, the shape fill. So you see under the fill there, when the shape is selected, you see we have no fill. Just click on it, the color will be removed. So with the outline, I want us to increase the size. So come to the line here. So you come to the width. So the width, you can give it any number at all, but I'll go with 6. You can go with 7 if you want, but I'm going with 6. Alright, so with the color, I'll go with this color right here. Alright, so now I want us to start inserting text boxes here. So to insert the text box, you simply have to go back to the insert tab, locate the text box, and just come and click here to insert it. Alright, so the first text that I want us to insert inside there will be certificate. So let me select it. The color is not that bright, and change the color. So I'll go with this color. And the font, I'll go with 48 and make it bold. So I'll also align it to the center. Alright, so now let's make a copy of the text box also right here. Instead of having to go back and insert another text box, you can simply just make a copy to make our work faster. So I'll go with of appreciation. So I'll select that one also, and the font I'll go with 20. Alright, so I'm making another copy right here, and I'm going to change this text also right here. So with this text, I'm changing it to this certificate is proudly presented to Alright, so I'll remove the bold. So I'll align it somewhere around here. So now let's go back to the insert tab. I want us to insert a straight line here. So we can find a line under the shapes. So I think it's right here. I just inserted it somewhere. Alright, so with this line, let's increase the size. So we are making it 1.5. So with the color, we are going with this color. Alright, so this one again, let's make a copy. So and then change the text. So we are changing it to name and surname. That's where the name and surname has to be placed in. So let's come here and change the font of it. So the font will be Edwardian script. So with the size, let's go with 66. So we are also making it bold. So let's gently align it to the center. So let's take this one again and make another copy here. Alright, so I'm just going to change this text here. So this text has to be the description for the certificate, but I don't have one. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to randomly generate one paragraph of 3 lines. So I'll use this one as the description for the certificate. Alright, so with this one, let's make another copy and format it so that one will be the date. So let's change the font of that one also. So I'm going with possibly 16. So I'll make another copy here because I'll be needing to, if this one is date, then the other one will be signature. Alright, so let's take the line here. We are making a copy here. So I'm just going to reduce the length of the line so that it will fit well here. So I'm making another copy here. Alright, so now I want us to go back to the insert tab. I want us to insert another shape. So just go to the insert tab. This is the shape that I want us to insert. That's another rectangle. So simply bring it here and increase the height. So remove the outline, give it no outline. Alright, so I'm just doing something like this. I want to place it somewhere around here. Alright, so with the color, I'm going with the gradient fill. So the gradient fill, I'm not just going with this color. I want to use the other color. So I'll simply change these colors here. Alright, so now I want us to do another thing here. We are not done. I want us to insert a medal on top of this one. So to do that, I already have it in my device. So I simply have to go with insert. Even if you don't have it in your device, you simply have to go to the insert and go to pictures because the medal is a picture. So if you have to work with online pictures, you go with online pictures. But I'm going with this device, so I'll click this device because I have it in my device. So this is the medal right here. I'll just double click on it to insert it. So I can easily reduce the size and place it on top here. Alright, so as you can see, our design looks nice and clean. So thank you so much for watching and see you later in my next video.